Hola a todos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a fundamental aspect of Spanish, pronouncing vowels. If you've been struggling with those Spanish sounds, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming Spanish lessons. In Spanish, there are 5 vowels: a, e, o, u. Unlike in English, each Spanish vowel has a single, clear sound. Let's start with a. It's pronounced like the ah in father. Try it with me. Ah. Once again. Ah. Next, we have a. It sounds like the A in bed. Let's practice. A. Once again. A. The third vowel is E. It sounds like the E in C. Try pronouncing it with me. E. Once again. E. Moving on, we have O. It's pronounced like the O in more. Let's say it together. O. Once again. O. Our final vowel is U. It sounds like the U in moon. Repeat after me. U. Once again. U. That's it. Those are the 5 Spanish vowels. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep repeating these sounds and you'll be pronouncing Spanish vowels like a native speaker in no time. I'll see you in the next lesson.